Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this so. Oh my God, today is the day. Oh man, I see another bag over there that I need to show you. I'll grab it in a minute, but this is a Marc Jacobs unboxing. I've waited and I've waited and I've debated and I said, yes, I'm gonna get this. Let me just calm down because I need to thank the sponsor of this video, which is also exciting, SINBONO. SINBONO, what did you send me? SINBONO, New York. You know that SINBONO is all about that, you know, saving the earth and making stuff out of plastic bottles and fruit waste. Right, vegan leather. That's the word I'm trying to think of. What is this thing? Okay, somebody's looked at it and put it on wrong. Here we go. Okay, so they sent me a free gift. I love. Okay, before we get started, this is very cute. Either a strap, ooh, yeah, a strap on, or some bag jewelry. I'm in love. Look at this. Look how cute. Okay, so there's that. Before we get to the bag, what do we got? A quilted little tiny card holder that has a little thing for a strap here. Oh my God, it's cute. In black. Yes, with gold hardware. I love. Oh, how cute. It's got the little moniker and stuff in there. Oh my gosh, it feels like leather. Ooh, I love. Move over, oh case. Biatch. There's a new case in town. Oh my God. Yeah, that one just rolled off the tongue, girl. I love it. I love it. I love it a lot. What is wrong with the thingy? Okay, there we go. I had part of the lining stuck on that, but yeah, it is smooth. I was like, what the hell? Okay, girl, yes. So, very cute. Thank you, SINBONO. Now for the bag. The sponsor of the video, bag. Ooh, I thought I was the only bag in this room, but nope. There's a bunch. Okay, here we go. I'm in a good old mood today. Guys, some things have been going on that have just made me so damn happy. It's like 85 degrees in where I live right now. So we just like said, screw it, winter. F you, old man. We're going straight to spring. Okay, so dun 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 dun. I love it. So I decided to go with a bigger bag than the little Vienna. See that? Now this thing will carry a bunch, girl, a bunch. But, girl, this is even bigger. Oh my God, I love this brown too. It is so cute. Listen, use my link. Get yourself 26% off. That's right, at SINBONO. I will leave the link down below. Definitely go check them out. Thank you so much for sponsoring the video. Ooh, I love it. Oh yeah, it's very ample. We'll have to see what fits in here. I'll probably do a short on it. I love, look at that, how cute. And I can put my jewelry on there. Oh guys, I love it when a plan comes together. I want you to look at me, just look at it. Oh, I'm giddy with excitement. I am giddy. Okay, there's that one. Oh my God, what? Oh yes. Where you at? Strap on. Oh, she got stuck in a hole. Oh, normally I love that. There we go. Okay. Okay, let me tie that back in her. Oh, girl, let me tie that back in a bow. Who the heck does she think she is? Oh my God, how cute. Look at this. I've got me some purse jewelry. Now, I don't just have to use this on this bag. Girl, this little strap on can go on anything. I love it. Thank you, SINBONO. You guys did me a solid this time. So don't forget, I'll link these items, but also go over there, check it out. You don't have to buy anything, girl. There's no obligation. Just get over there and check it out. You will like something because they have really, really, really great pricing, and it's all vegan leather. So thank you to SINBONO. Okay, girl, I am as happy as I don't even know what, because I have for you, for your viewing pleasure. Oh my God. It is some Marc Jacobs. Oh, Dawn is the one that turned me onto this. So get that bright yellow packaging, this little receipt thing, and here she is. Can you tell me what it is? Guys, guess. Okay, we're not playing that game. Remember my voodoo. I'll go over there and get her in a moment. But wait a minute. Hold up. Holy. So freaking excited with this. I just spit all over myself. Oh my God, I could cry. I'm so happy with this purchase. it might be time to change out of the firkin. I hate to say it, but oh, okay. Now they were calling, you know, my voodoo bag is the mini, right? And I'll compare them, but this one is like the micro. And they also have the micro bucket. Little tiny strip on. Oh my God. I am so freaking excited. I know I can't stop acting crazy, but this, she's the mother effing one. I say that every time. Look what they did. Wrapped and sanitized for her protection. I love it. I love it. They put my little tiny dust bag in they wrapped it up just like a tampon or something. Okay, I hated to go there, but I had to because, I mean, that's what it reminded me of. Girl, I am down 100%. This is a friggin' vibe. Oh my God, is it a vibe? Look. Okay, we know it's pink. Is it candy pink? I think it's candy pink. You know who needs this? Friggin' Candy. She needs this. It's candy pink. Oh my God, look at it. Okay, let's do an autumn spin. If Swan On will go ahead and hit that sexy music.
Every
girl, I'm speechless. What does the inside look like? Well, it's leather too, but it's orange. It's orangey skies. Always with some other guy. I love it. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, this is bag of the year. I know it's only February, but this is mother effing bag of the year. Remember, we know what this is all about now, right? This is a little place to put your little strap down there. Oh, why do I? Oh, God. Okay, I am making no sense. Nothing is getting done on this video. It's just the pure damn excitement of it all. Let's inspect this beside voodoo. This is baby voodoo, right? Oh my God, baby voodoo. Come to mama. Okay, girl, I went and I found voodoo. Look at the two sizes. Baby voodoo, voodoo. I cannot contain. Listen, I'm not putting this on for you. I really am this gall danged excited. I'm at a loss. I'm flabbergasted. I'm over the friggin' moon with this, guys. I didn't think it could happen, but it did. Okay, now tell me, do I need the micro bucket now? Okay, no, she doesn't. Contain yourself, lady. Let's see if baby voodoo will fit. OMG. Jesus. Yeah, it's that tiny. It's that fabulous. Oh my God, we've got to do a what fits. I can't right now because the firkin is downstairs with all my junk. Oh crap, but we gotta see what fits in this dog. This thing, it's incredible. First, a fabulous SINBONO bag, then this Marc Jacobs baby voodoo. Guys, tell me everything. $325 on the website. I believe that you can find different colors right now, but be quick about it because, as you know, this stuff does not hang around. Once he sells out, it's like he's like, yeah, I could sell a million more, but why? I'll just come out with some different colors and people will go nuts. He's right. He's Marc Jacobs, man. He knows. I love that Marc Jacobs keeps pricing down when really everybody else would charge, what, $1,000 for this bag? And I hate to say it, but I would probably pay more for it because I love it so much. I went crazy for this one. The color, the size, everything was banging on this. And the puff. Guys, do I have a tiny? God darn it, I need a tiny puff. Oh my God, I'm gonna go find a puff. Oh my gosh, I'm so friggin' excited. Okay, I want to thank you for coming over today. I can't. I'm beside myself. I promise you what I will do on the next video is I will see what fits in. We'll do a what fits in here. And also, I have reverted back to my roots of Dooney and Burke. I went crazy over a bag that I saw that was featured in a movie. It's back. The little it bags with the hearts on them. Oh my God, I had to have one. want. I bought it. I paid too much for it because once it was in that movie, then everybody wanted one and it was very desirable. So I went on Poshmark. I found it and I bought it. That's the next video I'm gonna do. That, and also Meredith and I are collabing. I don't know when it will be. I think we're gonna collab probably next Saturday, so a week from today. Oh my God. When you guys see this collab, you are gonna freak the out. Do me a favor, guys. Tell me what you think about this. I love it. I absolutely friggin', I can't even, I need a puff. I need a pink puff for this. I mean, I don't think life will be complete unless I get a puff. All right, anyway, do me a favor. Hit the like button, will you? Comment down below, like I said. Go over, check out SINBONO bags. Thank you for sponsoring today's video. Marc Jacobs, thank you for making me so damn happy. You and your hot ass husband. Woo! The things I would do in that sandwich. Anyhow, also, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. Do it right now for me, will you? Oh, wait. Hold on. Here we go. Girl, did you? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. So until we meet again, oh my God, I love you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if y'all see my husband, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Strap on, strap off. Okay, let's just, I just thought the video was over. You guys did, but it's not. Nope. Hell no. Guy that edits these videos is like, oh geez. This beast, she'll never shut up. You're right. Okay, let me see. Let me just, you know, because people out there, I know a few people who love a good strap. Let me just tell you, love a good strap. You know what I'm saying? A little too much, if you ask me, but that's okay. Listen, you do you, boo-boo. I'm not going to judge what you like. Listen, like Caleb says, you guys ever watch Caleb still? He's hilarious. Anyway, he always says, say space. And now I'm like totally trying to steal it from him. I shouldn't do that. I won't. I will give him credit every time I say it, which will probably be a lot. But I just love to hear him talk. He has the funnest sayings and he's just cool, you know? Well, he's from Chicago. Hello. Him, his husband, Zane, so cute. God, I love them. Man sandwich. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay, here's the strap on. Okay, I can already see that she is not gonna be right for me. Not at this level, you know what I mean? I'm gonna have to open her up. Ooh, girl! Things she says on Monday nights. Oh, I surprised you. You thought I was gonna say Saturday? Whew, Saturday sees too much action. She's gotta give it a rest. Oh, Snapdragon. Oh my friggin' God. Let me see. I'm mesmerized. I'm transformed. I'm speechless. There's a verse for everything. That voodoo that you do so well, biatch.